Welcome back to our virtual series. If you recall, our last session introduced SpinifexIT's Easy Migration tool, which allows organizations to safely, quickly, and securely migrate both their system configuration and their employee data into a new SAP or SuccessFactors payroll environment. We continue our discussion today by adding another product, Easy Go Live, which complements Easy Migration and provides the final steps to ensure a successful implementation. Here's a visual to help put the two solutions in context. As you can see, through the typical implementation process, which runs from blueprinting through building and testing, then finally go live, Easy Migration comes into play early, followed by Easy Go Live, with a little overlap because they both include pre-delivered reports to aid in performing parallel testing. Let's take a closer look at where they are similar and where there are differences. After a quick review of Easy Migration, which we covered in more detail last time, the three main steps performed by Easy Migration are copying the payroll configuration, then copying employees, followed by validating both the copied master data as well as results after payroll testing is executed. The next solution I'd like to introduce is Easy Go Live. So what does Easy Go Live do in comparison? Let's take a look. Here on the left side, where Easy Migration features are summarized, you already know that it will copy your configuration as well as employee data. Only Easy Migration includes that functionality to copy configuration, which is why it is designed to be employed early on in the implementation. Now take a look at the information in the red boxes. Easy Migration is meant to clone employees into test or sandbox systems for the purposes of testing and performing validations. However, it will not allow the cloning of employees into a production system. That's where Easy Go Live comes in. As indicated on the right side of the slide, Easy Go Live is utilized to actually update the production system with the real employees as part of the Go Live process. Another key difference is outlined in blue. Only Easy Go Live includes templates to export master data out of SAP Payroll and into Employee Central. Both tools include pre-delivered reports for the purpose of investigating parallel payroll run results. However, there are a few differences. Whereas both include comparison reports to compare results between two SAP systems, Easy Go Live also allows for comparisons back to an original system that was not SAP. So Easy Go Live is relevant even for a brand new implementation of SAP Payroll or SuccessFactors Employee Central Payroll. Note too that the reports included in Easy Go Live include more robust functionality, such as record status indicators, and the ability to enter user comments into the cells. And finally, Easy Go Live links seamlessly into an employee investigation tool for individual detailed analysis of employee payroll results. On the next slides, we'll take a peek at some of the Easy Go Live features so that you can gain a better understanding. So we start here at the main menu upon executing the Easy Go Live transaction code. Taking a look at a few of the individual menu items, let's take a look at the first one, Easy Data Load Extracts. You can see here on the right that we have expanded that folder to display all of the templates organizations can use to pull the master data out of the existing SAP system into the right format for uploading into Employee Central. These templates are essentially reports built using Spinifex core reporting tool Easy Reporter, which was discussed in some of our earlier web sessions. These uploads can be used to populate a production Employee Central instance with real employee data for an Employee Central Go Live. I mentioned that Easy Go Live can compare payroll results from the new system back to the old, even if the old system is not SAP. That is done via file imports, and you can see in this screenshot the area in the menu set up for that purpose. Here's just an example where results from the current system are being compared back to the legacy system. Notice that the data is presented down to the employee or wage type level. Differences are highlighted as well as indicated in the status column to the left. The notes column allows the end user, who is reviewing the report, to enter in comments as differences are reconciled. Those comments will carry over to subsequent comparisons if the parallel test is re-executed, removing the need to perform redundant investigations. As you have heard, parallel test comparisons can of course be performed for SAP to SAP implementations, as shown here in the Easy Go Live menu. Similar to the non-SAP comparisons, differences will be highlighted and end-user comments can be entered and saved for future reference. Finally, let's explore the ability using Easy Go Live to drill down in the specifics of the payroll results as calculated in the new system. Upon selecting the Investigate Employees menu item, the end user will be prompted to enter in an individual employee number. Once launched, the tool will then perform analysis on that individual employee and bring the user to a dashboard that contains all of the relevant details. That dashboard, which is based upon the SpinifeX standalone product known as Easy Help Desk, places analytical reports right at the fingertips of the end user. Instead of leaving Easy Go Live to open individual windows in SAP, the analyst can simply launch multiple investigations from the same front end. Easy Go Live suggests to the user which particular reports would be helpful to run, and even intuitively does some of the analysis on its own. In this screenshot, messages at the bottom indicate that the employee retroed back 3 pay periods, resulting in a carry-forward difference of $418. The report executed at the top of the screen provides further detail regarding the retro amount. Without losing that view, the user can execute additional reports, which will simply populate additional tabs, allowing for easy toggling between the various outputs. The tool is designed to maximize the amount of information provided, while minimizing the effort required, allowing for quick investigations and resolutions. In summary, SpinifexIT's Easy Migration and Easy Go Live tools work hand in hand to ensure a smooth payroll implementation for organizations of all types and sizes. Whether you're transitioning from one SAP product to another, like from on-premise payroll to Employee Central, or simply implementing for the very first time, we've got you covered and would love to meet with you to discuss further. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next virtual series session. Have a good day!